I was looking to refresh this area for spring and summer, so if you're looking for an accent chair that's both stylish and actually comfortable, this one is such a good find. The first thing that caught my attention was the design. It has this really clean mid-century modern look with the solid wood frame and neutral fabric, so it works with almost any home aesthetic, and it instantly makes a room feel brighter and more elevated without trying too hard. But what surprised me the most is how truly comfortable it is. The cushions are soft but still supportive, and the lumbar pillow gives it that extra cozy feel when you're sitting and relaxing for a while. This is definitely one of those chairs that looks beautiful but is also practical for everyday use, and I also love the size of it. It's roomy enough to curl up in with a book or a coffee, but it still doesn't take up too much space, which makes it perfect for bedrooms, living spaces, reading corners, or even an office setup. The wood frame feels really sturdy and well made, and once everything was assembled, it felt secure and durable right away. Assembly itself was also pretty simple and straightforward. Overall, this chair has such a timeless look, and it genuinely makes your space feel more comfortable and intentional. If you love neutral modern home decor pieces that are functional too, this one is definitely worth checking out.